tell you all about how to take care of your clippers and how to use your clipper. When you get your clipper, it will have these protective guards on it. Make sure you take those off and you'll see your clipper. This lever will move these blades up and down. This is when you want to cut really close. It's when those blades are close together. And then when you move that blade or that lever down, it'll move the blades farther apart. This will help with blending. All of these guards have numbers on them. So say if you want to use a number 1 guard, put the top of the guard on first and then just push the bottom and it will click on. To take it off, you lift up the bottom first and then you can switch different guards. These are really great clippers, and so you want to take care of them so they will last the very longest. To do that, after every cut, here's this little brush, and just make sure you brush all that little hair out of the clipper to keep it from getting clogged. All that hair right through there, right in between the clipper. You can move that lever up and down to make sure you're getting all that hair.